Vitai! I'm Matthias and welcome to What's New in DevTools for Chrome 136 to 138, with updates around CSS, AI assistance, and performance. And first, a quicker way to set up workspaces. Not like that. Workspaces in Chrome DevTools is what I meant. Let's take a look. Inside the Sources panel, you see all the resources the inspected page is using. From the main document over images and fonts to CSS and JavaScript. Additionally, you can connect the local directory to the Sources panel, your workspace. Click Select Folder in the center of the Sources panel, or alternatively, in the top left of the panel, switch to Workspace, and then click Add Folder manually. Using your system's file browser, select the source code directory for the site you are currently inspecting, and confirm it's fine for DevTools to edit files inside this directory. That's how you manually add a workspace directory, and the manually on the button gives us a hint. There now also is an automated way to do this. Chrome 137 brings automatic workspace discovery to DevTools. Here's how it works. In the background, DevTools is looking for a well-known file, served by your development server. This JSON file needs to include a unique ID and the absolute file path to your local repository. Having this in place makes DevTools show the folder name with a connect button that you just need to click to connect it to DevTools. And while we are here, the Sources panel is also where you find your overrides, content scripts, and your reusable snippets. To explore how you can implement automatic workspace discovery for your own project, check this link. Next up, two brief PSAs around CSS. Web design is always evolving, which makes the web so exciting to build for. But this also means CSS needs to keep track. A design pattern that's been around for a while and now gets easier to implement with CSS are squircles. What the? Hey, I'm not a squircle. Squircles are part circle, part square, resulting in softer, more organic corners. They're now easy to create using the corner shape property with the values squircle, bevel, round, and more, leaving all the math that comes with it to your browser. Speaking of math and browsers, DevTools in Chrome 137 has tools to make debugging complex calc and var statements a lot easier. Hover over any use of var or calc and see the underlying values explained. Hover over nested statements to do the same. So much for CSS. And together with our news around workspaces, this perfectly pairs with AI assistance for styling. Let's go. Starting with Chrome 137, AI assistance for styling can now persist suggested changes to a connected workspace. After you applied a fix with AI assistance, all changes are collected in the Unsaved Changes panel at the bottom of your chat. Expand this panel to see all changes at a glance. In the bottom left, you see the folder name of your connected workspace. Click Apply to Workspace in the bottom right to automatically transfer all fixes to the files in this workspace. Gemini in AI Assistance then matches CSS selectors from the inspected page to your source code. It can even unravel changes made by your build tools like hashed class names. After the process is finished, you can review the matches by looking at the file paths. Click Save All to permanently save the fixes to disk. Click Discard if AI Assistance mismatched the fix to an actually unrelated file. This allows you to transfer fixes with the click of a button. And if you prefer to do it manually or don't have a workspace connected, click the little icon to copy any fix to the clipboard. To give Gemini a better visual understanding of your described problem, you can now append screenshots to your prompts. Click the camera icon next to the prompt input to take a screenshot of the current viewport. Make sure you have scrolled to the element your prompt is about. That's it for AI assistance for styling. Let's explore AI assistance for performance. In Chrome 137 and later, you can now also chat about performance insights. For those who missed it, you find performance insights by recording a trace in the performance panel, and then toggle the sidebar in the top left. Expand any insight by clicking on it. click Ask AI on insights like LCP by face, render blocking requests, and others to open the AI Assistance panel. Use any of the pre-suggested prompts tailored to the selected insight to start a conversation, or ask away with your own prompt. With Chrome 136 and 7, we also introduced more insights to the sidebar, like, for example, use efficient cache timelines in legacy JavaScript. To learn more about all available insights, check the resources in the video description. Not in the mood for chats with AI? There is a less chatty new AI feature for performance too: auto-labeling for trace annotations. To get started, go to Settings, AI Innovations, and enable the auto annotations toggle. Go back to the main thread activities of your recorded performance trace. Right-click any entry and select Label Entry from the context menu, and then click the floating pencil icon to generate a label. Alright, time for the bonus tip. Starting with Chrome 138, you might spot new squiggly lines in the Elements panel DOM tree. That's not Chrome spell checker. DevTools now highlights issues with DOM elements like invalid descendants or mismatching area labels. Hover over any underlined element to reveal a tooltip with more information. As with every other new feature, we love to hear your thoughts. Let us know through our public bug tracker. And that's it for DevTools 136, 7, and 8 highlights. To learn more about all updates, check out our monthly What's New in DevTools blog post. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. And first, a quicker way to set up workspaces.